Dog. A dream about a dog is associated with powerful emotions and is usually indicative of important issues in one's life. Dogs may also be sent to your dreams for guidance. Was the dog trying to tell you something? Dogs have the ability to see things you don't, such as ghosts and other forces. A dog that is guarding gates or is located near something spiritual means that you need to guard yourself against something. A dog that is out of control shows that you can find the answers to secrets in meditation. A wild dog represents one's deepest desire to be wild and carefree. If it is a domestic dog, it means happiness. If it is a wild dog, it means there are a number of difficulties coming your way. To see more than one dog in a dream and a pack of dogs is connected to friendships. Dreaming of a dog represents feelings of all areas of your life where you need emotional protection. The color, type, and size foretell how you choose to protect yourself from emotions and confronting problems. The dream of dogs could represent something you can rely on yourself or on others to protect you or keep problems at bay. If you have previously owned the dog or you see your own dog in your dream, it means that you are missing something or someone in your life. A black dog is normally associated with storms and bad weather. If one sees a black dog in the dream, this means that there will be many possibilities in life for the dreamer. For a dog to chase you is an indication of restlessness, anxiety, and fear. You could be facing pressures and troubles in your love life, and the dream is a sign that you want to escape. A dog chasing dream is normally after someone has offended you, which has led to a conflict. If the dog chases you and made you scared, it is an indication that you are escaping from something. It could be that you are running away from being affected by something negative. Fatal dog attacks are rather rare, but if you dream of a dog attacking you, then this can denote difficulties responding to others in life. To dream of being attacked by a pack of dogs indicate you need to learn the secret of happiness. If the dog is fierce, but just looking at you instead of attacking, it denotes that you may have quarreled with colleagues or friends. Seeing a fierce dog roaring and coming towards you in your dream foretells that you will be of different opinions with your friends, but if the situation is not handled very well, you might end up being betrayed by friends. Being chased by many dogs shows that you have burdens in life, and there is also psychological pressure, which means you need to rest. Seeing yourself being chased by hounds indicates that you may fall into a trap or danger, so make sure that you don't take chances. To see a dog which is friendly and loving running towards you is an indicator that you will succeed in your career. To see aggressive dogs in your dream is a sign that you or someone you know is being disloyal. To dream of a multicolored dog represents disapproval in a situation or a person. It could also stand for isolation, darkness, and unimportance. To dream of a puppy represents your happy-go-lucky personality or liveliness. It could represent that you are improving a relationship or friendships which are growing deeper with passing time. If you see a litter of newborn puppies in your dream as a representation of the duration it might take you to see your plan come to pass, or the amount of time it will take you to develop an idea. Each puppy represents 6 months. If in your dream, you see yourself taking care of puppies, it is a sign that you have loyalty and integrity to your friends even during difficult circumstances. If you dream that you are buying a dog, it shows your tendency to buy compliments, friends, and favors. It could also denote that you are in need of companionship. A dog guiding you in the dream suggests that you are having challenges in getting your way out of a situation. A blind dog guide in a dream is a sign of friendship. If you see that you are sending or giving your dog away in your dream, it indicates that the choices and decisions that you are making could be misinterpreted as disloyalty. It could alternatively mean that a close friend has rejected you. To dream that a dog has been stolen is quite common. If you see yourself living or running with a pack of dogs, it means that you are looking for a sense of family or belonging. To see a pack of dogs could be a symbol of children, siblings, or other relations. A dream where you see your dog trying to rape you could foretell that someone who is a close friend is trying to take advantage of you. A situation where you see yourself giving a dog a bath in your dream is a sign of your nurturing abilities and that you pride yourself on your generosity and loyalty. A tied-up dog is a negative sign which represents that you have lost self-control due to your natural instincts. If it is trying to get loose, it could be sexual frustration that you are harboring. It could also denote that you are having feelings of being held back in your life. A dog chasing its tail in your dream or running around in circles means that you are not able to handle a situation which properly is at hand. If you see several dogs being slaughtered in your dream, it implies that there is a friendship which is coming to an end bitterly due to betrayal and mistrust. If you see a dog eating a snake, it denotes that a friend is trying to prevent you from making the wrong decision. A two-headed dog in your dream is a sign that you are very active about what happens in your environment. If the dog bites you in the dream, it could be feelings of being attacked, threatened, or bothered. If the dog bite is large, it denotes that you are having difficulty with addiction. This dream is replaying your subconscious mind. A dog attacking in a dream can represent the treatment of others. You will encounter some difficult situation with someone close to you. If the dogs start to growl or are hungry in your dream, it could mean that you hold internal doubts. To see racing dogs or to visit the dog races in a dream is associated with your love life. You will live in harmony if you win a dog race in your dream. Greyhound racing seen in a dream is associated with fortune. To see a racing track is associated with a surprise. If you own the greyhound, dog indicates a hidden enemy. If the greyhound is chasing you, then you will feel surprise in a situation. To be chased by a violent dog can imply that you might be worried about the unknown or that you feel that there is a characteristic of yourself that you need to review and learn from. To see a dog die of a gunshot wound in the dream is symbolic of peacefulness, affinity, and enchantment. If you shoot a dog in your dream, it means that you are ready for conflict, and you are aiming to gain promotion. To dream of an angry dog could foretell viciousness and anger that you harbor towards other people. It could be that you are losing your temper. This is what the angry dog is representing. Alternatively, the dream could mean that there is someone who is angry and these feelings are being portrayed to you. If the dog in the dream is happy, this is a sign of recovery. If you are a girl, it could mean that you are going to meet a new man in your life. To take a dog for a walk in the dream is a positive sign which denotes that you will have much success and your life is highly productive. If you see another person walk a dog in the dream, it means that you feel you are in charge of something you are accomplishing. If you were walking through fields with dogs in your dream, then you will achieve your goals. If you see a dog walking in your dream like a person, it denotes that you are going to deal with something improper and contrary to nature. If the dog is protecting you, it is a sign that you are being watched over and protected by a power that is higher than yours. Alternatively, it could mean that you have developed a control of intentions. It has become a behavior which you can use to your advantage. If you are feeding the dog in your dream, it means that you are loved by others and they consider you to be reliable, determined and self-sufficient to achieve your goals in life. To rub the belly of a dog in a dream is a representation of a trusted relationship. If you are dressing the dog in an overcoat, it represents your desire to cover up your habits and character flaws. If the dog is wearing a hat, then it means that you are trying to project some part of your personality. To see a dachshund in your dream is a reminder that you are capable of success even when things are tough. To see a German Shepherd in the dream foretells your protective instincts and attentiveness to a situation, and thus you don't need to lose control or become nervous. If you are training a German Shepherd, it suggests that you are a person who is open to new ideas and at the same time, easily influenced. If you are attacked by the German Shepherd in your dream, it means that you have let your guard down and it is time to put it back up. To see a Golden Retriever in the dream reminds you of your royalty, friends, family, and friendship. If the Golden Retriever is barking in your dream, is a sign that someone is close to you. Golden Retriever dreams are an indication of strong family bonds and ideas that you have with those around you. Alternatively, the dream could mean that you need to regain control over an aspect of your life. To see Pug in your dream is an indicator that you have a playful side of your personality. It can denote that there are new people and changes around you and it is your responsibility to accept things the way they are. If you see a black pug in your dream, it forewarns of immediate changes. Seeing a pug in your dream could also denote that there is change around you which you need to embrace. To see a Siberian Husky in the dream is a sign of loyalty, as it means that you are going to establish a friendship with someone who will end up being devoted and loyal to you for the rest of your life. A husky pulling on the lead in your dream can indicate a relationship or a situation which is going to come to an end. You will reach a destination safely. To see a husky curled up and sleeping suggests that you are equipped with all the answers to a situation. A husky in your dream is a reminder that you have the ability to overcome any challenges that come your way. A bulldog featured in the dream can be an indication that you have a hard exterior but inside, you are soft. If a lazy bulldog appears in your dream, it means that you need to work hard to achieve things in your life. A bulldog foretells that there is a stubborn person in your life who has refused to change an opinion. Bulldogs are loyal and they like protecting their owners while having selective deafness. This dream is a forewarning that you need to stop being judgmental and remain royal. A Yorkshire Terrier featured in the dream is an indicator that you need to move forward in life without having to harbor any fear because you have everything you need to have to be successful. A Yorkshire Terrier in your dream is a reminder that you can do anything that you set your eyes on. To see a Rottweiler in your dream is a reminder that you are fully protected, but you need to take care of yourself before taking care of others. If you find a Rottweiler growling at you in the dream, it could be that you are going through inner turmoil. If you see a group of Rottweilers in a dream, it denotes that you have several options to choose from, and it is up to you to make the correct choice. If you see the dog attacking someone, it might be a reminder that you made some choices in the past which were not wise. To see a Border Collie in your dream is a reminder that you have lost your way. If the collie is confined in its kennel in your dream, it means that you are having feelings of loss of control and entrapment. If in your dream, you see the collie lying beside you, it is a sign that you are enjoying the fruit of your labor, making you be at peace with around you and yourself. To see a sheepdog in your dream is a reminder that you need to take responsibility for the tasks in your life. If the dog is herding sheep in your dream, it can indicate that you need to step up and take on a leadership role. If it is sleeping, it could denote that you are sleeping instead of working hard to improve your life. A sheepdog is a reminder that you should not take everything in life seriously and you need to take the time to relax. To see a dog fighting in a dream indicates that there is an aspect of yourself which is trying to reject you, and thus you need to re-evaluate your behavior to those close to you. To see a dog that is white in a dream indicates that you have good intentions. To dream your dog is lost represents feelings of losing your confidence. Alternatively, it could be a representation of distractions which have made you avoid protecting the strengths you possess. To dream about finding a dog is an indicator that you are in need of loyalty or companionship from those around you. It could be that those around you are taking advantage of your generosity and always demand things from you. If in your dream you have a desire for a new dog, it denotes that you are going to get someone who is trustworthy and loyal in your life. To hear a dog bark in a dream is a sign that you are causing annoyance to those around you by your fussiness and grumpiness. It could mean that you are one person who likes giving orders to others instead of talking to them kindly. If the dog is barking happily, it symbolizes social activity and pleasures and that you are being welcomed into a certain circle.